Hello, teacher. Today I will read the story, Two Stubborn Little Goats. A long time ago, a family of goats lived on East Mountain. Two of the brothers, Black Goat and Brown Goat, always fought about who was the best in the family. They were very stubborn. They never said sorry or I'm wrong. One day, they were on a small patch of the greenest grass on East Mountain. It was only enough for one goat. Brown Goat said, "I'm the oldest brother in the family, so I should eat the grass." Black Goat said, "I'm the smartest brother in the family, so I should eat the grass." They pushed each other with their horns. They pushed with the same force, so they didn't move forward or backward. They pushed for a long time, and then they both got tired and fell down. Black Goat was angry, so he moved to West Mountain. There was a very narrow bridge between East Mountain and West Mountain. Every day, Brown Goat crossed it to drink from the coldest water in the pond of West Mountain. Every day, Black Goat crossed it to eat the juiciest grass on East Mountain. Brown Goat always crossed early, and Black Goat always crossed late. One day, Brown Goat got up late, so both goats were on the bridge at the same time. Brown Goat said, "Go back. I'm the oldest, so I should go cross first." Black Goat said, "You go back. I'm the smartest, so I should cross first." They pushed each other with their horns. They pushed with the same force, so they didn't move forward or backward. They pushed for a long time, and then they both got tired and fell into the river below the bridge. The goats swam to the river bank. Then they slowly walked home to their mountains. They were angry, tired, wet, cold, and hungry. And that's what happens to stubborn little goats. Thank you for listening and goodbye.